In this video, we're going to dive into the latest developments of one of the projects doing the absolute most during these discouraging times, and why it might be wise to keep your eyes on this sleeping giant. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you as always for tuning into the channel. As always, we are giving away $100 in Bitcoin in each video to one lucky subscriber that comments down below. So before the end of the video, be sure to enter in, and congratulations to today's winner. Okay, so what's the project pumping out the most during these stagnant times? Well, that's none other than Orion Protocol. For those that aren't aware, Orion Protocol is simply the first decentralized gateway to crypto, which gives users easy access to major centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges, and swap pools from your own wallet, while also offering global access with no account and saving end users a boatload on fees. Something else to note: since their launch of the Orion terminal, they have released a handful of products that are first to the market, with a focus on strengthening the DeFi space, interoperability, security vulnerabilities, and honestly the crypto industry as a whole. Like the Orion Bridge that allows a user to seamlessly atomic swap a crypto asset from one chain to the other with extremely low fees and a beginner-friendly user interface. Unlike many others, this bridge has had zero exploits or downtime since its launch, and is saving people lots of time and money in the process. Aside from the exceptional products that Orion Protocol has already brought to the table, there are some recent developments to come out which gives us an idea of what we can expect moving forward. For starters, Orion Protocol is continuing to strengthen their virtual order book, which combines the power of complex swaps with classical order books. And with their recent optimization release, the VOB just got a little bit better, providing parallel and asynchronous order book calculations. Furthermore, we also had a successful release of the Widget 2.0, which allows businesses to seamlessly integrate Orion Swap into any website, ensuring their users receive the best possible price for their trades. We also got word that Uniswap and PancakeSwap integrations into the Orion terminal are progressing very well, which, once integrated, Orion Protocol will have the current largest sexes and dexes aggregated into their platform, with some others being Binance, OKX, KuCoin, Ascendex, SpookySwap, and QuickSwap, along with Orion's internal DEX and liquidity pools. But what I see being the most important news of them all, the Orion Protocol mobile application is officially in testing and development, bringing a completely new audience and experience to the Orion Protocol ecosystem, as a large majority of crypto users solely trade, swap, and interact with the crypto space via a smartphone device. And with more users, of course, comes more volume, and the more arbitrage opportunities that will arise for not just users, but ORN token holders and stakers. And if you haven't already staked your ORN tokens on the Orion terminal, what are you waiting for? Whether it's one of their liquidity pools or governance, the Orion pools have had 100% uptime with zero exploits in the process. I personally have been staking my ORN in the governance pool for the past few months, and I cannot complain one bit. You can seamlessly come and go with your holdings as you please and claim your earnings whenever you want. My point is, if you are a long-term believer in Orion Protocol and have some skin in the game, it'd be foolish not to have your tokens working for you instead of sitting idle on a wallet elsewhere. All in all, Orion Protocol is continuing to build the most robust aggregator in the industry, regardless of market sentiment. And with many exploits happening in the last few months alone, Orion is needed now more than ever. So what are your thoughts on Orion Protocol and what they are bringing to the industry? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video informative, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, as it helps the channel grow. Thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.